Hello teachers, welcome again. So in this series today I'm here with the quiz solution of module 4, 5 and 6. So first let us solve the quiz of module 4, that is integrated gender in the teaching learning process. So let's start it. Yes, first question. Identify which of the following statement is not a gender myth. So its answer will be B. Biological differences between boys and girls is not related to their cognitive abilities. So this is not a gender myth and other three options are gender myth. Next, which of the following statements is not a gender stereotype about boys or men? So its answer will be C. Boys or men can cook as well as raise a child. So this is not a gender stereotype. Next, which of the statement is true? So its answer will be D. Boys and girls should be treated equally. This is true. Next, which of the following attributes hold true for both boys and girls? So its answer will be all. Independent, assertive, hardworking and emotional. These attributes are true for both boys and girls. Next, which of the following statements is not a gender stereotype about girls and women? So its answer will be B. Girls and women have leadership skills and can excel in any profession. So this is not a gender stereotype. Next, the terms masculinity and femininity refers to, so its answer will be gender. Next, which among the following is not true about gender? So its answer will be C. Gender refers to the biological difference between men, women and transgender. So it is not true about gender. Next, which of the following task does not reflect gender stereotyping? So its answer will be A. Sefali is training to become a mountaineer. So it is not a gender stereotype. Next, is the statement women are less capable than men in assuming positions of power and authority in politics true? So its answer will be B. No, they are equally capable as men in assuming positions of power and authority. Next, what is the essential difference between sex and gender? So, its answer will be C. Sex is a biological difference while gender is a socially determined difference between men and women. Now, let us check our score. Yes, so we have a score 10 out of 10. Now, let us solve the quiz of Module 5, that is Integration of ICT in Teaching, Learning and Assessment. Yes, first question, ICT does not refers to, so its answer will be imagine. Next, e-Pathshala is, so its answer will be all, a web portal or mobile app which hosts educational resources for students, teachers, parents, researchers and educators, showcasing and disseminating all educational e-resources, textbooks, audio, video, periodical and e-variety of other print and non-print materials, free access at every time and every place. Next, an e-content is, so its answer will be all. Information delivered over network-based electronic devices or that is made available using computer networks such as the internet, categorized as digital text, images, audio, video, animations, interactive and simulations, accessed from repositories and web portals, NROER, ePathshala, Sakshat, OLabs, etc. Next, which of the following statement is not correct? So, its answer will be D. Open source video editor is free programming online software for creating games. So, this is not correct. Next, the free and open software platforms for creating and curating e-content are, so its answer will be all, Scratch, S5P, Audacity and open source video editor. How does ICT support the teaching, learning and assessment? So its answer will be all. Provides opportunity to access learning resources anywhere and anytime. Promotes self-paced learning and concept building. provides multisensory strategies including visual and auditory to enhance learning. Next, what is the need of analyzing content for ICT integration? So its answer will be all. Emphasize concepts where ICT can be integrated to attain and assess learning outcome. Planning of teaching approaches or methods using various ICT tools. Organization of the different activities in the classroom using ICT tools. Next, a free and open source software is, so its answer will be none. So none of these are free and open source software. Next, the open educational resources OERR. So its answer will be all. Freely available openly licensed materials and media useful for teaching, learning and assessing as well as for research purpose. Include full courses, course materials, modules, textbooks, streaming videos, tests, software and any other tools, materials or techniques used to support access to knowledge. NROER is a library of accessible school subject concept based audio, video, learning objects, image, question banks, activities, presentations which may be downloaded, shared and commented on. Next, why is ICT important for teaching and learning? So its answer will be all. For improving the quality, for making teaching effective, shifting from conventional method. Now let us check our score. Yes, we have scored 10 out of 10. Now move to next module. Now let's solve the quiz of module 6, that is art integrated learning. Yes, first question, art integrated learning helps in development of, so its answer will be all, cognitive domain, psychomotor domain, affective domain. Next, through art integrated learning, teachers will be able to develop, so its answer will be activities for art experience. Next, in art integrated learning, art has been referred here, so its answer will be as a pedagogical tool. Next, which of the following is not a performing art? So, painting is not a performing art. Next, principle of art integrated activities is based on, so its answer will be experiential learning. Next, children with special needs can be engaged in joyful learning through, so its answer will be art integrated learning. Next, after watching the demo video of art integrated learning activities, which sound was created with fingers? So its answer will be sound of rain. Next, art integration means, its answer will be C, combining arts with the teaching of different curricular areas. Next, through integration of art forms, assessment cannot be done by teachers. So this statement is false. We can do the assessment by this integration of art form. Next, various concepts of mathematics, science, social science and language can be learnt effectively through art integrated learning. So this statement is true. Next, yes. So we have solved the quiz of module 4, 5 and 6 and now let us check the score of module 6. Yes, we have scored 10 out of 10 and if you like the video please like, share and comment. Thank you.